Hello, people. Welcome to Ella, Sri Lanka. Ella is a hill station located in the central southern part of Sri Lanka and it is at an altitude of 1041 meters. For me, I took a bus from Kandy to Ella. However, there are trains too that ply to Ella daily. Being 138 kilometers away from the cultural capital of Kandy, you can take a bus which leaves at 9 a.m. from the nearest railway station of Kandy called as Peredeniya and reaches Ella in about 4 to 5 hours since it is an express train.
I'm staying at Fort De Ville. This is my bed and this is the view from the dorm room. I managed to get this place through booking.com for 350 Sri Lankan rupees. It's about 1 o'clock and it's comparatively humid and hotter than Nuwara Eliya. So I've decided that I'm going to explore a few places here and stay here for one night. I slept off the afternoon and the evening and now I've come out on the main road and I'm going to the city so that I can explore the city a little bit, probably get some dinner, and also some of my friends have asked me to get some souvenirs, so I'm going to check that out. So let's go. So I've come to a souvenir shop and these masks cost around 2,000 to 3,000 Sri Lankan rupees. Also I need to buy a few fridge magnets, so there are a lot of things here in this shop. I'm doing a little bit of shopping and I came across these really cool stickers. They're about 50 Sri Lankan rupees only, so I'm buying some of them for my laptop. Also, you could do a lot of shopping here in Ella. There are boutique shops with a lot of stuff like there are tote bags, there are bed sheets, there are different souvenirs. There's also a little bit of hippie stuff, hippie t-shirts and pendants, so a lot to choose from. Hey guys, good morning from Ella. Today is day 2 and I've decided to stay here because yesterday I couldn't really go to any place except for some shopping. So I'm going to stay here today and cover a few places, which is one is the Ella temple, second is the 9 arch bridge, and also the locals have told me that there is a waterfall nearby. So looking forward to it, and I'm just I'm going to eat breakfast now, so that's the plan for today. Just before heading out, I made myself some breakfast. One good thing about staying in the hostels is that most of them have kitchens. They're shared kitchens. So I always carry some tea powder and I made myself some black tea. And yesterday I went to a supermarket and I managed to get some sausages. So I fried some sausages and made myself a sandwich. So I'm slightly broke. So this is going to be my lunch and the same thing I'm going to eat for breakfast. I also carry fruits. Bananas are quite cheap in Sri Lanka. They cost 1 kilo costs about 100 Sri Lankan rupees. So I ate about 2 bananas and with this sandwich I'm good to go. So I'm going to the Ella temple, and what is interesting is that it has a little bit of Indian influence in terms of the idols. came to the Ella hospital, and it was really like a big surprise to me. All the other hospitals that I went to, my dressing charge would cost somewhere around 300 to about 1,500. But uh, in the beginning, now the wound is just one single wound. But what is shocking is that I came to this place and they're asking me for 1,500 Sri Lankan rupees. I've already spent about 15,000 Sri Lankan rupees on my wound, and it's like a loot here. I mean, despite being a government hospital. I remember when I took a train from Peredeniya near Kandy to Nuwara to Oya, I couldn't get a seat and it was a big hassle. So you can come a day prior. You need to fill a form with your basic details, and here is the ticket. Thank you. Main road, I took a bus that goes towards Ella, and the ticket to Ravana Falls costed me 30 Sri Lankan rupees. You can also take a tuk-tuk, but obviously the tuk-tuk costs more. Ravana Falls from the city center is about 8 kilometers. Welcome to Ravana Falls. So if you come to the waterfalls, you can carry an extra set of clothes because you can take a bath here, or you could just simply take a dip in the pool created by the waterfall. I really wish I could do that, but the doctor has advised me not to sprinkle or pour water on this bruise. But nevertheless, I'm going near the waterfall. Up spending about an hour at Ravana Falls and just having a quick corn here. It's nice boiled corn with some chili
and salt.
For today, I visited the Ella temple, I went to Ravana Falls, and I got a dressing done. Next up, or something that I was really excited about going to, was the 9-arc bridge. However, I'm not able to, like, after the dressing, the wound pains, and I thought maybe I could take a tuk-tuk, but the tuk-tuk guys are asking for 1,200 Sri Lankan rupees, which is quite a lot money for this broke girl. So I'm just going back to my hostel. Hey people, good morning from Ella. Today is day 3 and today I'm leaving to go to Trincomalee, which is on the northeast side of Sri Lanka. So there are express trains from Ella that go to Kandy, and my train is at 6:39. I managed to get a ticket yesterday. So this train reaches Kandy in 4 hours. I mean, it's super fast, and if you are going to Kandy, I would suggest you to take this. I know it's a little pain waking up this early in the morning, but it is worth it. I hope you liked my travel blog on Ella. I know it is quite brief and I didn't cover as much as places as there are, but I still managed to do a few things with a bruised leg, and I think that is the spirit. So please like, comment, share your suggestions, and let me know if you want me to travel to a place of your liking. So subscribe to the Meraki Explorer and see you on another adventure. Bye.